You are going to love the 2010 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.